Bilberries are loaded with vision-enhancing phytonutrients because they haven't been commercially farmed as much as crops. Not only can the bilberry give you excellent night vision, science now shows how this berry can restore your overall vision. In a recent study published in the American Journal of Public Health, researchers gave 50 elderly people bilberry extract, and the results were jaw-dropping because a staggering 97% of the people significantly improved their eyesight. It turns out that bilberries work a specific way to restore vision, especially night vision. It's all about the rods in your eyes. Rods are light sensitive. They are the reason you can see well in dim light. And as you age, your rods lose a special protein that keeps your rods healthy. As a result, your ability to see in the dark fades away. This can be dangerous. You could fall and injure yourself trying to get to the bathroom at night, or not see the road clearly while you're driving after dark and have an accident. Well, bilberries contain a nutrient called cyanidin-3-glucoside, C3G. C3G works to restore this protein complex in the rods of your eye. While bilberries C3G rebuilding the rods in your eyes, you can enjoy great night vision again.